Y'all already saw the vibes in the title of the video. In this one, we're gonna be going over some fall 2022 sneakers that I'm wearing, bro. My fall rotation, what's on feet right now. This might change depending on what my vibes are as time progresses, but it's what I've been freaking currently, you feel me? What I'm wearing these days. And it's not some bullshit list that I made up. Like, I've actually worn these in these past couple weeks, so I decided to make a video out of it. If y'all doing up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Comment what's one sneaker that you're currently wearing in your rotation, whether it's something you have or a sneaker that you're trying to add to your rotation. Comment that down below. While you're down there, subscribe, bro. Shit is free 99. You gotta spend no money on subscribing. The shit is free, bro. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. Yo, so my bad if y'all hear the rain in the back. It literally just started pouring, bro. I started filming this bitch and it started pouring. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but it's going on out there. Not in here. We good in here, luckily, you feel me? First sneaker in my rotation is the Jordan 3 Fire Reds. I did recently pick these up when they released, and I must say it's a sneaker that I'm gonna be wearing a lot. I'm a big fan of Jordan 3s, and I don't really care what time of year it is for me to pull out some Jordan 3s, so this is a great addition to the collection. I love that it's an OG color. It's nothing new, you feel me, which I really like. I actually never had these in the past, so I'm excited to have these in hand now. Nike on the back. You already know the vibes on these. It doesn't matter what tone sneakers you use for fall. A lot of people got this misconception that you gotta wear dark sneakers. For me, that's not the case half the time, you feel me? I wear whatever the fuck I feel like. If I want to wear an all-white fit in the middle of fall, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. A lot of people are holding these to pull them out in the future, but I must say, if you like these, pick them up now because they're not going for too much over retail if I'm not mistaken. So first on my list was the Jordan 3 Fire Reds. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Second up, we have a Yeezy that I waited mad long to get, and it's probably one of my favorite Yeezys in the collection these days. It's the Yeezy 700 in the Vanta colorway. I feel like it's a perfect fall sneaker. I know I just said you wear whatever color you want in the fall, but obviously certain colors do look better, and this is one of the ones that I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these this fall winter. Honestly, I love what they did with these. The different tones of black on it are everything. I feel like you could pull so many outfits off with these, and it's honestly ridiculous, bro. Like, I love these bitches, and I'm glad I hit for retail because nobody was trying to pay resale for these shits right here. Low key, let me know what y'all think about the Yeezy shit that's going on. Apparently Adidas might be terminating Kanye's contract. If y'all want me to make a video talking about all that sneaker news shit, let me know in the comments. But yeah, Yeezy 700 Vantas is the second pair that I've been freaking. I feel like it won't ever look beat because it's literally a black pair of sneakers. I guess it's like a vintage black. Either way, fire sneaker. I've worn these a couple times since I got them, probably like 3 to 4 times already. This next shoe is the only designer sneaker I have in my collection, and it's my Pradas. I low-key wore these shits to a baby shower. Y'all heard it here first. This is almost like the Balenciaga sock, but in the Prada vibe. I low-key like these more than the Balencis. They look a little bit more simple, so I am a fan of these. It's literally a sock with like a hiking trail bottom almost. I love them, bro. These are comfortable. You can dress these up, you can dress them down, whatever you're trying to do with them. And hey, I had to pull them out for the baby shower. Let me know what y'all thinking about the Prada. Don't know the official name of these bitches. Socks down below. I feel like it's a clean shoe, I guess. I don't know, bro. I need some more dressy shoes because this is what I had to dress up, and I don't know if I'm trying to pull these out every time I gotta dress up, you feel me? So I might have to get like some Chelsea's or something. Next we got the Yeezy Slides. Y'all already know that you could wear these bitches year round. I was trying to tell y'all in fall I'm gonna be freaking these a lot, and little by little, rest assured, I've been pulling these bitches out. As these get filthy, I'm pulling these bitches out. And yeah, Yeezy Slides never stop for me. I feel like through fall with some socks on. Obviously I got my whip outside, so we about to just hop out real quick, go get some groceries or whatever the fuck I'm doing low key. I'll pull out some Yeezy Slides, good to go, you feel me? I wear these more than anything else I showed y'all in this video, if I'm being honest. Next we got a pair that I haven't even worn. My girl got me these for my birthday, which was a couple weeks ago at this point. Yes, your boy turned 26, but my girl got me these and I haven't put them on yet. I might make a better video including these in it. I just decided to talk about them because it is New Balance and it's my first pair of New Balance. So I'm excited as fuck about this pair of shoes. I feel like it's gonna get me into a whole new realm of sneakers, and I decided to put them in this video because it's gonna be probably one of my most worn in my rotation. I just haven't gotten there yet, and it's the 2002R protection pack in this phantom black color. Bro, These bitches hit different, bro. Like, I'm amped up about pulling out some fits with these. Protection Pack 2002 Rs are beautiful, bro. Like, me and my girl were talking about it. It almost looks like a sneaker that Virgil would have made, like this deconstructed vibe that he inspired. Even the soles on the bottom look like they have this you stepped on salt from the snow and shit. Gorgeous sneaker. Like, I want these in every color that came out damn near, and I'm excited for these. I just wanted to show them real quick. I might include them in an unboxing or something, so beware. These might be in a couple more videos. I might even do a how to style for these. That's how much I fuck with these. 2002 Rs, beautiful, bro. We got two more kicks to go over. One that I pulled out recently after a little while of having them, which is typically what I like to do with these retros. It's the Jordan 12 playoffs. These bitches is hard, bro. If y'all know me, you know that I love Jordan 12s. One of my favorite silhouettes from JB. A lot of people say these shits look hood or whatever the f. I love these shits, bro. It's one of the pairs that I actually still need a couple more, bro. I need the cherries. I need the flu games. I need the new bucks to re-release, because low-key I had those back in the day, bought them again, and they're cracking on me. For fall, these are perfect. It's almost like a boot head ass. To me, 12s aren't even that uncomfortable, so I really with these, especially in this color. I always wanted these and the taxis, so luckily I was able to pick these up for retail. Do a fit together recently with them. I feel like for the fall winter I'm probably gonna pull these out a couple more times. And I'm excited for the Amam and Year Jordan 12s. I feel like Jordan 12s never get love, so the fact that they are, I'm gonna have to go for them shits in that black and purple color. Definitely a must cop for me. Jordan 12 playoffs was the next sneaker in my rotation. Let me know if y'all fuck with 12s. Is this an under or overrated sneaker? For me, it's underrated. Obviously, I had to pull out some heat for my birthday, and it was actually the first time I wore these shits. Last sneaker on this list is the off-white Blazers. I pulled these shits out for my birthday. Low-key, it took me a while to pull these out, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I most definitely had to. I feel like it's a clean shoe. I remember always wanting these shits, and eventually I pulled the trigger. I've had these for a while now. It took me like a year to actually wear these, maybe even more, not gonna lie. And if I'm being honest, I was debating on selling these shits, but after throwing them on feet, I can't do it. I just love the way that these look. It has that deconstructed feel. Y'all already know Virgil was famous for that, and it's probably the only blazer that I need, bro. Like, with these, I'm straight. The Hollows Eve and these are beautiful blazers. I feel like for fall time with the blacks on here, it goes hand in hand. Maybe that's just me, but this was the last sneaker that I've recently worn. I don't know how many times I'm gonna be wearing these, simply because with my off-whites these days, I try to be particular when I wear them, but it's definitely a hard pair of kicks, bro. Let me know in the comments, what are your 3 favorite off-white sneakers that ever released or ever were rumored to release? For me, these wouldn't be in my top 3. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The off-white Prestos, off-white Jordan 4s, and maybe the off-white 5s or the ones, either or. I feel like the ones are a little bit too hyped, so I'd probably just go with the 5s, but the ones in the Chicago, y'all already know those are a banger. But I'm going off on a tangent. That pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and while you're down there, let me know what are some sneakers that you're currently wearing or are trying to buy so that you could throw them in your rotation. Price obviously doesn't matter. It's more about what you like to wear. But yeah, man, with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.